Okay, during fourth period, you had a little mixture of different things just to test some basic skills. The very first question was, what does this say? And you had to choose the answer in written form. And what it said is x plus 3 is greater than 2. This is the greater than sign. X plus 3 is greater than 2. In the next question, you were asked what are the steps to solve for x? And you were given the choices of adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying, and you had to divide both sides by 7. And if you did that, you would find out that x equals 4. And that would mean that 4x is less than 4. The third question asked, what is the answer to 5 is greater than or equal to x minus 1? This required you to do a little bit of math as you did in second period. So all you had to do was write down the equation. You notice that there's a minus 1 with the x, so we have to add 1 to both sides of the equation. The ones cancel on the right. You bring down the x. You bring down your inequality, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So this now says 6 is greater than or equal to x, and it asked you what the answer was, but it only provided you answers where x was the first thing in the answer. So the correct answer to this question is x is less than or equal to 6. Just so you know, another correct answer that was not on the work, another correct answer would be 6 is greater than or equal to x. They mean exactly the same thing if you were to graph it. The final one required 2 steps, and if you were able to get number 4 correct on this bulwark, congratulations, because this one actually had 2 steps, and we haven't had any practice at all today with 2-step inequalities. So the original inequality said 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 7. So I have rewritten the inequality here. And I know that I have 2 operations here. I have a 1 being added and I have a 2 being multiplied. And in this case, we have to do backwards PEMDAS. And backwards PEMDAS says that we have to do the addition and subtraction part first. So we notice there's a plus 1. So that means we have to minus 1 from both sides. So I minus 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6. I bring down the inequality. It cancels over here, and I bring down the 2y. Now I'm coming over here, and I've rewritten the equation. The inequality is 2y is less than or equal to 6. And now I see that 2 is being multiplied by y. So to undo multiplication, we have to divide. So I'm dividing both sides by 2. The 2's on the left cancel, and we're just left with y. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer to this inequality is y is less than or equal to 3.